Ready to turn practice into progress? Let's play this song together. If you haven't learned this yet, check out the step-by-step tutorial video link right here. And now, let's get playing! We're gonna start with the introduction with D flat as the first chord. Ready? 1, 2, ready, D flat, go. A flat, back to D flat, and A flat. Moving on to verse and D flat, and A flat, and D flat, and A flat, D flat, F minor, back to D flat, one step up to E flat, moving on to chorus, A flat, half a bar of D flat, half a bar of A flat, half a bar of D flat, half a bar of A flat, one bar of E flat, back to A flat, half a bar of D flat, half a bar of A flat, half a bar of D flat, half a bar of A flat, back to E flat major. Ready? Half a bar of D flat, half a bar of E flat, back to D flat and A flat. Moving on to verse, D flat and A flat and D flat, A flat and D flat, F minor and D flat, one step up to E flat, chorus 2 and A flat, half a bar of D flat, half a bar of A flat, half a bar of D flat, half a bar of A flat, one bar of E flat, A flat, half a bar of D flat, half a bar of A flat, half a bar of D flat, half a bar of A flat, E flat, half bar coming up, D flat, half a bar of E flat, one bar of A flat. Moving on to bridge or half bar F minor, D flat, A flat, and C. Again, F minor, D flat, A flat, and C again. Third line, F minor, E flat, D flat, one bar, 2, 3, and D flat minor, 2, 3, last chorus, A flat, half a bar of D flat, half a bar of A flat, half a bar of D flat, half a bar of A flat, one bar of E flat, A flat again, half a bar of D flat, half a bar of A flat, half a bar of D flat, half a bar of A flat, one bar of E flat, half bar coming up, D flat, change to E flat, F minor, one bar, 2, 3, half a bar of D flat again, E flat, 3, outro, D flat, and A flat, half a bar of D flat, half a bar of E flat, and one bar of A flat to end. Well done! Hey there, thanks for watching and I hope you find this video helpful. I've got more piano techniques, music theory, and tutorials coming your way, so stay tuned. If you think this channel is helping you reignite your passion for piano playing, do like and subscribe and I will see you in the next video.